Hey everyone, so I'm doing a little bit of a behind the scenes video today showcasing what I go through when testing out a new product. I'm always testing for performance and consistency on a regular basis. And today I'm gonna be testing out two products. This is my Extreme Hold Matte Paste in my Crafted line. And then this is the OG Clutch XL from many, many years ago with an updated kind of formula from a few years ago. So I had Clutch and then Clutch XL, and Clutch XL was like a stronger version of Clutch. However, it was like way too grippy and waxy, so this was reformulated to be kind of like the perfect combination between the OG Clutch and XL combined into one, so it's not so grippy, not so waxy. That's been tamed down a bit. So this is kind of like a wax clay almost. So what I'm gonna do, I got a mannequin here and I'm gonna style this on both sides. So I always like to make sure that, you know, all the knots are combed through. So I have an even playing field here just to make sure that, you know, I'm able to run my fingers through it and there's not gonna be any sort of challenges or restrictions or anything with the styling. And being that I've been a hair professional for over 30 years, I've worked on thousands of, you know, between clients and mannequins and models and all sorts of different, you know, hair types and stuff. I know exactly what to look for, and that is what goes into my products. My brand is I'm always testing for perfection, for performance, for how does it rinse out. I've been actually secretly testing a few other brands, just buying other products and seeing how they are. And I'm actually surprised by some performance of them. But then when I go to wash it out, it's so heavy on my hands. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. Where my products, they're all pretty much water-based and it just rinses right off. And I'm like, wow, that's a big difference between a lot of other products compared to what I have. And I think that says something because that may start to just cake up on the hair and it's hard to wash out, whereas mine is the complete opposite. So I'm gonna start with the Extreme Hold Matte Paste. Now, this has been a fan favorite for quite some time. Is it super glue hold like Power Cream? Not necessarily, however, it is fairly grippy right from the start. And the best thing about this product, and all of my products, are designed as if you were a hair professional. Meaning that it works quickly, you get results quickly, and it washes out fast. You're just getting very, very quick results. So if it's something that it's gonna be a more extreme hold, you're gonna feel that grip almost pretty much right from the start. And the more you break it down, you're kind of losing that hold and the properties of the product. So what I'm gonna do is, here it is right here, and I'm gonna take a scoop. And I'm not using a ton of product, but like I would say like a good finger scoop. A lot of times people are digging in like it's, you know, they're digging for gold. Whereas this, you don't need a whole lot of it. And there's ways to work this in. The more you work this into your hands, it actually breaks the product down more. So the hold level kind of like softens a bit. Whereas with this, and I'm gonna demonstrate for you, it's actually the opposite. So I'm gonna work it in. And over the years, we've had numerous issues with like some clumping and things like that. But right from the start, you could feel it. It's a bit more on the very, very kind of tacky. That's where the hold comes in. So now I feel it right in my hands and I'm going in and instantly you could see within seconds, look at the hold, right? And that's what I want, because when styling someone's hair, I want to make sure that this is getting that hold pretty much right away because I want it to work fast. I want those results quickly, and it's able to do what I'm looking for within a matter of seconds. Here it is on this side, and then boom, it's done. So that's the thing, is that this is designed to work quickly. Work very, very quickly. You work it in your hands, work into the hair, and then it pretty much is, you know, now you piece it out and you style it as needed. All right, so there it is right there. You can see within seconds. And as you work it in, it starts to really kind of soften up quite a bit. So if you want a softer hold, you know, still a decent hold, but not as say, grippy or textured. You work it really into the hands where you feel it warm, and then this is gonna be a much softer, kind of more natural, pliable type of hold that you can work in, and it might be better for some hair types as far as just like pliability wise, right? It just softens it up quite a bit, as you can see right through here. Awesome. So that's that product, and I'm happy with it. The smell is great. It's like a sandalwood. It's a very complex scent, and all of the fragrance notes are on my website, so you can read all the fragrance notes. A very, very, very complex fragrance, very upscale. All right, here we go. And the good thing about this is I could literally just wipe this off. Like, I've got a towel right here. I'm wiping it off, and it's pretty much all gone. Like, my hands are back to normal. Some of the other products, clays and paint, I've been testing from other brands, you need like a fire hose and washing your hands 2 or 3 times. That's with almost like, I think I tested 3 products, 3 different brands. All of them were like that. And a lot of these are, you know, TikToker brands, and oh, my clay is the best, most natural, it has 1 ingredient. I'm like, okay, dude, whatever. And then it's like putting on mud and grease onto your hands, and then you go to wash it off, and you're like, this came right off with a towel. All right, so next up, we're going with the newly kind of revised and improved OG Clutch Excel, which just has like a whiskey cinnamon. I've always said that. It's literally whiskey and cinnamon. A very unique fragrance, and it's one of my favorite products. A lot of people sleep on this. I do get it in limited amounts because it's very expensive to make this, so I can only do so much. So I'm gonna scoop this out. It scoops out very buttery, nice and smooth. If you use the original Clutch Excel, that was a lot more waxy, like way too much. So this has been, like I said, reformulated and toned down, and you could see it just works right into the hands beautifully. It melts into the hands beautifully, and this again is kind of like a wax clay. So a little bit lighter than the paste I was just using, and I can feel more of a clay rather than a paste. And the one thing about this, I mean, you're getting literally instant results. This works into the hair very, very beautifully. It's got more of a light, I don't want to say wax, like the wax properties are kind of there, like a very light, tacky feeling, like on the hands, nothing crazy. But just from this alone, I mean, I'm getting instant results in a bit of a softer way, okay? A bit of a softer way. This side is starting to fall onto this side. So a bit of a softer way, and it's just giving me instant results, as you can see right in through here. So I love this product. It's definitely a sleeper product where a lot of people sleep on this, and I think it's something that is pretty amazing. So a little more of a pliable, somewhat softer hold than the Extreme Hold Matte Paste. And as you can see in through here, let's work this in. It's still got that texture and that shape. So it's not like bulletproof like Power Cream would be. However, it's still got a really, really good hold to it, and that's it. It's like a set it and forget it. A lot of people are like, oh, you know, I want it to be extreme hold, but very, very pliable. And I'm like, you can't have a product that doesn't move and doesn't do anything because you want it to be such a firm hold, but then you want it to move and be pliable and go back into shape. That's not how hair products work. If you want a solid, firm hold, then it's more of a set it and forget it type of scenario. You have to, you put it in the hair, you leave it as is, and then that's it. You don't do this all day, because what's that gonna do? It's gonna collapse the product. It's gonna collapse the style. So with this, the Extreme Hold, the crafted, what I did on this side here, right? You watch what happens. Now when I go in and I reshape it, it's still got pliability, as you can see, which is nice, right? I can still go in and rework it. It's got pliability. However, what's happening is I'm breaking it down, so it's still very, very movable, but it's not like bulletproof hold. And the more I keep doing this, it just breaks the product up. Now, because of how good this product is, you know, what that does is it allows you to be more pliable. So the more you break it down, the more you're able to kind of work it in and mold it into shape. which is what makes this so unique. And then this one here, the Clutch XL, it's a bit more of a traditional clay with a hint of wax. So that's where you're getting that pieciness from the wax, but you're getting the ability to kind of really create more of a pliable type of product and a softer product with this. So I would say between the two, which one is best for which hair type? Well, I would say they're both really good for each individual hair type. And if you have like really, really thick hair, I would say the Extreme Hold Matte Paste is going to work great, the Extreme Hold, because it is a thicker, more of a grippy type of product. However, if you do have finer hair, I would then suggest this, which I'll do in another video, the Sea Salt Matte Paste, because the sea salt properties give it a bit more texture and volume for finer hair. However, if you do want to use the Extreme Hold Matte Paste, you can work it into your hands a bit more and soften it, and it's going to be good for finer hair types. And then Clutch XL, I would say it's good because it's got clay properties. It's fairly soft. However, once again, this would probably end up being good for someone with thicker hair types. I wouldn't use Clutch XL on finer hair or thinner hair simply because it's kind of like it's got that wax and clay, and the wax is kind of, that's what's giving it that pieciness in through here. It's very moldable and pliable, yes. However, if it didn't have the wax and it was a full clay, then it would be ideal for finer hair types. That's where, once again, the sea salt paste is really ideal for fine hair because of the sea salt in it. It really does kind of really bring that hair together. So this is what I do. Actually, here's a piece right here, just for fun. This has no product in it. This is the sea salt paste right here. So I'm going to take a scoop, and sometimes you do have to do a little digging, like you're in the beach digging for seashells. So let's work that into the hands, and this does have a light grip. However, as you work it more into the hands, it starts to kind of break itself down, and you start to feel the texture of like the sea salt almost. So once you break it down that first barrier, I can feel a little bit of I can feel actually a good amount of grip because that's the sea salt. And then you just go in and work it, and you're gonna actually feel the product kind of bind to the hair almost instantly. And what happens is it's like sea salt spray. It softens, and then as it fully dries, what happens is, and sets, you're able to have this very pliable kind of matte texture from a sea salt. So it's like, imagine tidal wave in a paste form, and this is what I go to. So this can also be used on thicker hair. It's great for like soft piecing. On thick hair, with that, it'll just give a much softer hold, which is awesome. That's why I love the sea salt paste for like little texture things, and you know, you're trying to just add a little bit of soft texture. But on finer hair, this is where it's ideal to me because you're really kind of binding that hair together, and the sea salt is you know, giving that thicker appearance. So you don't need a lot of product. That's the thing about my products, is like you don't want to overuse them. Less is more, because if you use too much, it's just overkill. It's like adding too much oil to a salad, you know, oil and vinegar. It's way too much vinegar, or way too much oil, or way too much salt. Like, they're designed to be used where less is more, and then you build on that. And that's the difference, is being that these are professional grade products under my direction, I'm always looking to, again, have something work quickly, efficiently, bringing a lot of value to the customer, to you all. And once again, when I do my testing, I'm testing it like this as a real licensed hair professional, a hairdresser for 30 years. This is what you're getting, right, when you're purchasing the Salon Guy. And also, like if someone emails me with questions, I answer everybody. I'll send hair tip videos. I'll do whatever support I can to help you to understand this. And that's the biggest difference of being a licensed professional compared to just someone who makes products like in their basement or something. So Let me know if you enjoyed this. If you want to purchase these products, they're actually tagged here in the video. I do really appreciate all of your support. This was a lot of fun. Let me know if you enjoyed this video because I'll make plenty more of this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.